What's up, guys? Today I'm here with another reaction. We're reacting to an Oshitaki Mushrooms video. It's called Girl Temper Tantrum breaks breaks the vending machine, breaks into the vending machine to steal candy. So yeah. So we're reacting to that. So yeah, we're reacting to Oshitaki Mushroom Girl Temper Tantrum breaks the vending machine to steal candy. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into the reaction.
Oh, shiitake mushroom.
You're doing shit.
Dude, get out of my face. What's up, guys? Today we're at Applebee's. And what are we doing today?
Chicken wing challenge.
How are you doing that with?
You, I guess.
Me?
Yeah.
We're going to do a chicken wing challenge? Oh, I can totally eat more chicken wings than you. Yeah, guys, so Leela and I are going to do the chicken wing challenge here at Applebee's today.
The chicken wing challenge. I never heard of
All right,
that.
let's
I never
do
heard
this.
about that.
We got Leland, Leanna. London's climbing on top of me. She wants the window seat. So what are we doing?
All you can eat boneless wings.
Oh, you can eat boneless. Oh, it's boneless. So me and you, Leland. They're basically chicken nuggets. I don't like your attitude.
Sweet Asian chili,
Oh, well.
honey barbecue, garlic parmesan, honey pepper, classic buffalo.
Oh, what kind should we get, Leland?
I'm gonna get chicken because that's for your first order.
Yeah, then you can like switch it up.
So since Leland's on the football team, maybe one day he'll have his picture up here. That's baseball.
Imagine if Leland had a photo.
Oh, there's football there. Oh, but that's not even his high school. What's the other high school?
That's great.
Yeah.
Represent.
Imagine if it was on
Oh, okay.
picture of Applebee's.
There's more over there. All right, so Leland and I, we're going to be doing the all-you-can-eat buffalo wings. Okay. Boneless wings, whatever. Yeah. So we're going to try this out. Who do you guys think's going to win? Go ahead and comment below. Think I could win? Or do you think Leland's going to beat me? I'm going to do the buffalo, all-you-can-eat buffalo.
Be a grown up and just eat a normal meal.
Well, no, I want to, all-you-can-eat with Leland. Do you think I would win? Or do you...
Let me show you how to make a cold pack and a hot pack using science. Inside is just some water and powder.
Doing the chicken wings for the all you can eat. All you can eat?
Yep. Me versus him.
All right.
What sauce do you like to start with?
Buffalo. Buffalo? You want ranch or blue cheese? Ranch.
What do you got there?
Look.
Oh, is that London?
Leland
What's
has
she
an
doing?
iPhone now.
You do that, Leanna. Let's go with the music.
Yeah, I wouldn't have an iPhone.
Leanna, what are you doing now?
Candy.
No,
Or
you,
chips or something.
no, you don't get candy at a restaurant. You don't get candy at a restaurant. That's gonna get you food. Careful, that straw's gonna go up your nose or something.
I want candy. I want to move for some candy, man, but his rights. These doesn't have. Stop. Can you take my phone? Man, I'm gonna move for some candy. I'm gonna move for some candy because we're at
Yeah.
So when I go back to school, I'm gonna, I don't know, figure out a way to get candy because I want candy. Steal some candy out of the vending machine because I want it.
Alright, so I'm like really hungry, guys. So I think I'm gonna eat a lot. Alright, Leland, I'm gonna beat you in this competition. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Yeah. That's the buffalo.
Can I get you guys anything else?
So here we go. You ready, Leland? Me and you. Alright, here we go. Bye. Yeah. Alright, so I'm trying the honey pepper chicken wings here, the boneless chicken wings. Let's try it out. Good. How's your chicken, Leland?
Very.
Okay, don't distract my concentration. I gotta try to beat Leland here. You distracted me with Star Wars stuff. Oh, look, I'm almost done, and they've already brought the refill. These are the buffalo sauce ones.
Let's see
How you doing, Leland? Looks like I'm winning. Hey, you still got your. Oh, it's who can eat the most. I finished up my first batch. You're still working on your first one, Leland? Ah. Oh, I have a good feeling about this, guys. I think I'm gonna win.
You're gonna eat your coleslaw.
Oh, I don't like coleslaw. I didn't ask for that. All right, let's try these buffalo wings out.
Guys, I never tried buffalo wings, so I'm trying. I'm thinking about trying it and trying some. So yeah.
Here we go. Buffalo wings. Oh, this is probably my favorite, guys. Buffalo wings are really good. Yeah.
Have one more.
All right, I'm down to my last one on my second portion, and Leland's still trying to finish his first portion.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay,
get off the phone,
he's
it's
on the
distracting you.
Trying to find stuff.
Like, he hasn't even touched his second portions yet. And I'm gonna finish this right now. Getting really full, guys. I don't know. Thank you, London. Thank you for the encouragement. I'm getting really full, guys. I don't know. I gotta finish this. No, I don't want to do anymore. Oh, I am done. Leland's still like he's just barely getting done with his first. Oh, where you going? Oh, okay. Oh, I might be going there. Eat a lot of wings. The bathroom. Go, guys. After that, that was rough. What? You're not done, Leland. You still got left. You're full. So I won then.
Yeah.
Am I the winner? I'm the winner, guys.
I want it.
Ooh, victory.
That's
Oh, I won. I beat Leland.
should be happy.
Yeah, I beat Leland in the all you can eat boneless buffalo wing challenge, whatever. Here at Applebee's. Okay. Here's your box, Leland. You lost. So now you have to have a box. Oh, I'm getting out. Oh my gosh, I can barely walk, guys. Oh, my stomach. All right. Ate a lot of chicken. That was a lot of. Oh, maybe I ate a little too much. But
here's one thing you need to do before buying anything online. Don't spend another dime on Amazon until you watch this first. Watch this.
But I beat you, so that's what matters. Oh, okay, I gotta sit down. My stomach hurts. So I ate a lot of chicken just now. Oh, Leanna, why you didn't eat any chicken? How does your stomach hurt? You didn't. Yeah, we had a lot of dessert. I couldn't even eat the dessert because I ate too much chicken. I don't know if I can do that anymore, guys. I ate a lot of chicken just now.
Oh, but you didn't get the baby.
What?
You didn't get the baby.
So we're just waiting on Mom. But look at this. Leland had leftover chicken because he lost. Leftover chicken wings. He had 4 left over. Couldn't finish it. I finished mine, guys. You know what? I just talked to the waitress here because I was curious. I asked her, like, so what was the most plates, most refills that she's ever had to give anyone out here when it comes to the whole all-you-can-eat buffalo wings out here? And she told me 10. They were teenagers, and they had 10. Like they were able to eat 10 plates of these boneless chicken wings and all. And I only did 2. So this is not an Applebee's sponsored video, but it kind of feels like it is. But if you guys want to do the all-you-can-eat chicken wing, buffalo wing, oh, excuse me, why are you burping? I ate more than you did. Yeah, just head up your local Applebee's and you guys can do a challenge. How many can you guys eat? How many plates of chicken wings can you eat? You had 1. Comment below. Tell us down in the comments. Oh, how's your stomach, Leland? I ate too much. I don't feel good. Hold on. It's worse than that time at Chuck E. Cheese. We got the chunk. We got the cheese. We got the chunk. We got the cheese. Hi, what's up, guys? So it's been really crazy here at the house. Can't really film in here right now. There's just a lot of clutter around the house right now. Just got a lot of pots and pans and uh, just a lot of stuff. What's happening this weekend, guys? We're hosting a wedding here at the house, out in the gazebo area. My younger sister Lucy's getting married. Finally, it's about time, Lucy. Anyway, her husband, soon to be husband, John, great guy, awesome. He's a fireman. So, you know, if our house ever catches on fire, we have someone in the family now that can put out the fire. So that's nice. So, welcome to the family, John. It's exciting having a new brother in law besides Aaron and Dan.
I heard that.
Yeah, you guys are old news. Yeah, especially Aaron and the Brew Crew. Look at all this clutter. We got all kinds of stuff here in preparation for the wedding. The big wedding. Well, you're not getting married. My sister is. You've already been married to me. It's nice now the kids are at school, so I'm able to just finish up some yard work. Leland, you're supposed to be at school. What are you doing here? Get off the scooter. Leland. God, I'm gonna have to take you to school now. I don't have time for this. I gotta get ready. I gotta get the yard ready for the wedding later this week.
Hey guys, so
Dude, what?
hey guys, so today here I am at my middle school. And Leon's at school. He's here right now.
Hey!
So yeah, so let's snacks from the vending machine. Because why not? Because food's good. That's why. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing.
Yeah.
Also, school sucks. This is a
Yeah, I hate school as well.
Look at it. It's so pretty floppy. Why are you so close? Okay, I have the bag right here, and we're just gonna go inside and raid the vending machine because I know how to break into them. Like that.
You sure this is a good idea?
Oh no, but I'm hungry, so it's all good.
Mhm.
All right, guys. My sister's crazy. I'm not gonna go in. I'm gonna stay out here. I don't want to go in with her. Huh? I'm gonna hit you with a stick.
Hi, here I am in front of the gazebo. So we're gonna be hosting a wedding this weekend. I'm super excited for this. That's a big reason why I've been putting so much work into, having a nice yard and stuff. You got these amazing views here. You can just overlook the valley and stuff. So, I want to take advantage of that. And ideally, originally, I wanted to maybe one day have my kids get married here at the gazebo or whatever. But my sister, my youngest sister, Lucy, she decided she wanted to get married here. So that's a huge honor for me to be able to host it here. Awesome. I'm super excited for that. So it's like a dream come true for me as a homeowner, to be able to.
Guys, right after when this video is done, I'm gonna be showing you guys my school, my student ID for my school. So yeah, so I got my new student ID. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys right after this reaction.
To host a wedding here. So that was one of my goals since owning a house out here. So I'm super excited for this.
Oh my
She
god.
did it. She did it.
That's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna go get more.
So of course I want everything to look perfect. So I'm making sure there's no weeds, making sure my plants are looking good. That's just there. I'm gonna have to trim those off. There's a weed right there. See, can't have this. See now everything. Hosting a wedding, so everything's gotta be perfect, guys. So everything looks great. The yard looks great. I actually planted some more trees. I planted these trees just the other day, actually. Hey, Marvel. So these are kind of cool. I don't know, they supposedly get up to like 10 feet, so we'll see. Making sure there's no weeds. See, I have all these rocks here, and weeds like to grow up between the rocks. I got like millions of rocks. I have to check for weeds. Show that.
Oh, guys. This video, I'm gonna take all this ready, so we like ready to show you guys.
Try to keep that looking nice.
Oh my God, you are crazy.
Yeah, whoa.
Oh my God, Liam, that is a lot. And dropping them everywhere. Good going. Good going. Good going.
So done.
Why'd you drop all of them?
It's on purpose.
Leanna, is that enough for you? There's so much.
Yeah, but I'm pretty thirsty, so I'm gonna go get some drink.
Oh my God, give me a blue Gatorade or something.
So
No, please don't drink Gatorade. That's worse now. Drink Prime now. That's better than Gatorade. Drink Prime now. Leland. Just drink Prime. Prime is better than Gatorade. Alright, Leland?
I'm a huge fan of this, the whiskey barrel.
I collected a green bottle of that. You just pull it out real quick. I just collected a Prime bottle of green one. So yeah, I tell you, just drink Prime now. Prime is better than Gatorade.
Jack Daniels at the entrance of my driveway. So this is a new addition, something I added this year. I can just, put a plot of flowers there and half a barrel there. And yeah, I think that's a nice kind of a welcome there on the bottom of our driveway. Got this guy for a couple years now and always been proud of the elk.
Oh my God, how much do you have? Oh my God, don't drop them. Don't drop them. Leanna, you better hurry. We're kind of pushing our luck with this.
Like it's gonna be so heavy.
A teacher's gonna teach us.
This is gonna last me maybe 3 days.
Dude, we gotta go. There's probably a teacher.
But you're not getting in.
There's probably a teacher. We have to.
Too bad I'll go with the
All right. What are you doing? No, Leanna, don't do cartwheels. What the heck?
She's gonna get more.
Lately, I've been adding a lot of ground fill, just little plants just to kind of cover the ground. These are cool. Got a bunch of little flowers growing. These ones are pink little flowers. That's actually London's plant. So I've been planting a bunch of these. These ones are a little smaller, but they're getting bigger. Oh. Yeah. Doing a lot of yard work this summer in preparation for the wedding.
Oh my God, you're dropping every single thing. All right. Gotta get out of here. I think the teacher saw us. Leanna, you got too much. We have to leave some behind.
I can't. I want to leave all behind.
We have to go.
No.
We have to leave some behind. It's too full.
No, I'll make it close. Trust me.
Dude, we gotta hurry.
That's gonna be too heavy when you pick that up.
Leanna, hurry up. I saw a teacher. We have to go.
Okay. Go on.
Leanna, hurry. Go.
Run in.
So there's the gazebo. I added these pavers here. These stone pavers as a little walkway.
Just walk along here. It connects to the back end of the gazebo. Added a bench there. I planted some plants that eventually all this would fill in. So you
Hold on, I'm gonna fix something, guys.
get a little privacy. So it'll be like kind of a hidden bench that overlooks the valley.
Well, it's windy out here today, but it feels nice. Good day to do some yard work. What do you guys do at home from school? What is that? What is that? There's a Coke bottle dragging out of it. What is, Leanna, what's in that bag? Why are you guys not at school?
Watch out.
Leanna, what is that? There's a bunch of sodas in there. Leanna, stop. What is that? Leanna,
I can't believe it.
what is all this? Why do you have all these drinks?
So
What is in
yeah,
here?
we just had drinks. We went to the
Hold on,
gas
what
station,
is in
got some
here?
drinks.
What is in here?
And nothing.
Open this up. I want to see. No, I want to see.
See what's in there?
I want to. No. Look out. You guys should be at school. Holy crap. What is all this? What is all this? No, stop. Leanna, what are you doing with all this food?
We went to the gas station.
What? What's going on, Leland?
Don't snitch.
What's going on?
He's gonna find out either because they keep their sauce.
Oh,
So you do what?
I'll take the teacher.
What? What's going on?
I'll
Leland,
take
I want to
care
know.
of you.
So we went to Leanna's middle school.
You skipped school to go to Leanna's middle school?
We went to the vending machines and stole all that.
You did what? You stole candy from the vending machine? Are you kidding me, Leanna? All that came from the vending machine, the school vending machine?
Trick to get it open.
You're taking that back to the school and you're returning all of that. That's stealing. Stop. Are you kidding me, Leanna? How much food? Oh my God, how much? Holy cow, how much
That shit
stuff
and
did you
candy
take from the vending
those-
machine?
That
Ooh, I want this. This is actually expensive.
You stole that.
No, I want that. I want
You
that.
stole that from the square.
No, hey,
Mhm.
get out of my face. Get out of my face. Leanna, we're taking that back to the school. We're taking that bag.
Taking this back.
Hey, get your hand out of my pocket.
Back then.
No, we're not taking anything back.
you can
Look at all these drinks. That is for the school. That's not for you. Oh my God. God, are you kidding me? Put all the candy back. Ugh. Not yet, but I'm about to.
What?
And you guys need to be at school. You guys are skipping school, stealing candy from the vending machine. I have had it. I'm gonna go insane. I cannot believe this. Leanna is returning all that candy except for the Hershey's here. I'm keeping this for myself. Cookies and cream, that's like my favorite. But the rest of the candy, she's returning back to the school. That is ridiculous, guys. Do not steal candy from the school vending machine. Never do that. Oh, it's gonna make me angry. It's gonna make me very angry. Oh, London, put that back. That's not your. Oh my gosh. Are you guys kidding me? Look, Leanna, from the middle school? How did you get those out of the vending machine?
Out of my ways.
And you didn't pay for it?
And my ways.
Or turning all that? This is not Halloween, you guys. You don't just get a bunch of candy for free.
Guys, I am gonna dress up for Halloween this year. I have three options. What should I be, guys? Well, you guys put in the comments what should I be for Halloween this guys. I'm gonna tell you three options. So you're gonna put in the comments what costume should I be. So yeah, I can either be Leatherface or I can either be Smokey from the movie Friday with Ice Cube, and you guys probably know that. And I can either be Davante Adams. So yeah, put in the comments if which those three options, which Halloween costume you guys want me to be. I'm thinking I should be Smokey for Halloween. So yeah, so put in the comments right now in this video right here.
Leland, don't be eating the candy. Okay, that's like $1. You're gonna have to give me $1 now.
Why you?
Well, so I can pay the school back, I guess. Oh my God.
They don't have an exact.
Leanna, what? No, you can't have a candy stash.
Football's here, you know what that means. More flame green beef from Burger King. Celebrate with us, cheer on your team. Y'all know this part, come on. Okay, I want all those back in the bag, and we're gonna drive you back to the school. I'm telling Carol. I'm telling Carol, this is ridiculous. Where's Carol? What is she doing over here? What is she doing? Carol! You're not gonna believe what happened.
No.
Kids are at home. They should be at school. They came home with a duffel bag. Leanna, she like took all the vending machine candy and drinks out of the vending machine at her middle school, and she brought it home. She stole the candy and the drinks out of the vending machines at her school. I don't know. That's why I'm telling her to bring it back.
What'd she bring home?
Well, they have the Hershey's, but that's mine. And possibly, I don't know. I didn't look for it. That's not the point, Carol.
Well, then she can't be doing that.
Exactly. You want to drive her back to the school since you're already in the van? I'm trying to get her. They're not coming out. They're probably. I think they're in there eating all the freaking candy right now. I gotta go back in there and. Oh, you should see all the candy. It's like a duffel bag full of candy and drinks.
Why do they have
From
to
the
do
vending
this?
machine. Why? Yeah, why do they have to do this?
Like,
Seriously. I don't know. I try to make a normal video, and there's always drama stuff going on. I'm sure you guys are enjoying it when you're watching us. But I like to one day maybe be able to do a normal, boring video for you guys. But there's always something going on. Put the candy in the bag and let's go. No, we're not keeping this. We're returning it back to the school. That's like $500 worth of candy right there. Even though you can just go to the store and probably spend $100 or less on stuff. But and all the vending companies, they make bank off of this stuff. I should have gotten into the vending business actually, but that's besides the point. We got to return it. You didn't pay for it, so therefore we got to return it. London, okay, you guys are being a bad example to London. Ow! Ow! Stop! You got to return that candy, London. No. All right, well, there's a Snickers.
Ooh.
All right, well, that's gonna be $1. Whatever the vending machine prices are, it's probably like it's probably at least $1. I don't know, guys. How much do candy cost in school vending machines
I
now?
don't know,
Are we down in the comp?
I don't have a vending machine at my school, guys. So yeah.
But back a long time ago when I went to high school, middle school, I swear I used to be able to get a candy bar for like 50 cents back in my day, but I think it's probably a lot more expensive now with inflation and all that. So yeah, tell me in the comments. Leanna!
Stocking up.
It's bad enough you guys skip school, but what are you doing now? That's not ours. Oh my God, I'm seriously gonna have to pay for all this? Seriously, I just want one normal day. Ow! On the floor. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, our videos are skits. The kids didn't really steal candy from the vending machines. Don't do that, guys. You'll get in a lot of trouble. So don't ever do that. Be sure to subscribe to all our channels over here, and then check out whatever video pops up there behind Leanna's face. And yeah, thanks for watching. And we'll see you guys next time.
My previous job did not provide.
All right, guys. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. So thank you for watching. So it's oh yeah. I can't. I promise you guys I was gonna show my school ID. Yeah. So here we go. I need to cover my ID number. So you guys can steal it. Right there. There's my school ID, guys. Right there. I go to this school now. Excelsior Middle School, yeah. This is my school. This is my student ID, guys. So yeah. Alright guys. And alright guys, that's it for the video guys, many parts of this video. So thank you for watching. So until next time, I'll see you next time, okay? Bye bye.